So with this question, normal stress is given, shear stress is given for two specimens, and first direct shear test was performed. From that we will get C and phi. Okay, so formula is tau is equal to C plus sigma tan phi. Okay, so tau in first case is 110, sigma is 150. So you will get one equation, 110 is equal to C plus 150 tan phi. And again, in the second case, you substitute 120 as the tau, C plus 250 tan phi. So now, if you simplify this, you will get C is equal to 93.7 and phi is equal to
95 value आती है.
थोड़ा बहुत आगे पीछे हो सकता है बेटा. हाँ, 95 आ रहा क्या C?
Yes sir.
Okay, no problem. 95 also allowed. 95 भी कर सकते हैं आप. Phi is 5.2, 5.5 ऐसा कुछ आगे पीछे आया तो भी चलता. So this is C and phi. Okay. So C and phi you got it in direct shear test. Now what happens? So now triaxial shear test is performed. So in triaxial shear test, so what is the value of deviator stress evolves? Deviator stress means sigma D. And remember, sigma D is equal to sigma 1 minus sigma 3. So what we will do now, we will get sigma 1 and sigma 3. So to get sigma 1 and sigma 3, one formula is there. Sigma 1 is equal to sigma 3 tan square alpha plus 2c tan alpha. This I told you. Sigma 1 is equal to sigma 3 tan square alpha plus 2c tan alpha. Alpha is equal to 45 plus 5 by 2. 45 plus 5.7, already you got 5. 57 by 2, it is 47.8 degrees. Alpha is 47.8 degrees. And what about C? C is 93.7 or 95, whatever you got, your answer. Then sigma 3 is needed. He has given cell pressure of 150, means sigma 3 is equal to 150. Sigma 3 is 150, C is 95 or 93.7 and phi is given, so alpha is equal to 47.8. All these three values you substitute here and get the value of sigma 1. Please do it. You get the values of sigma 1. Get the value of sigma 1 here. कुछ डाउट है तो पूछो. पहले सैंपल को हम किसमें करें? डायरेक्ट शेयर टेस्ट में करें. डायरेक्ट शेयर टेस्ट में करके we found C and phi. And now we are doing for the same soil triaxial test. Here sigma 3 is given. C and phi you can take from the previous case and find sigma 1. Tell me the answer of sigma 1. The major principal stress and what is sigma 1? You are right, our answer in chat box. Yes, what is the value of sigma 1? Write in the chat box. Sigma 1 is equal to sigma 3 tan square alpha plus 2c tan alpha. Alpha is equal to 45 plus 5 by 2. 5 already you got in the direct shear test. C also you got in the direct shear test, and sigma 3 is given confined cell pressure of 150. Sigma 3 is 150. So once you know all these values, you can calculate sigma D. Yes. लिखो जल्दी. What is sigma 1? तो देखो in book it is 389.2. Okay, 391.98, right beta? So that is sigma 1. But whether he is asking sigma 1 in the question, what would be the deviator stress? We want sigma D. And remember, sigma D is equal to sigma 1 minus sigma 3. Sigma 1 is 389.2, sigma 3 is 150. So the answer is 239 or 240, whatever it is, 239.2 kilonewton per meter square. 239.2 kilonewton per meter square. Got it? If you have any doubts, you can ask now on this problem, please.
No, sir, no doubts.
No doubt. Okay, beta. So few more questions are there, but all are lengthy questions, and their graph is also needed. So please, in the next class today here itself, I will stop and take the attendance. So in the next class, please, if you please bring the graph sheets along with you. Graph sheets are very much important. And now only thing is, I think what is left is now in this chapter is unconfined compression test. Let me see the slides. Okay, 40 is over GP1, 41. Let me see the syllabus. The problems are there again. Here also more problems are there. This is 40. 40 I'm already taking out now. 41. So problems, more problems are there. Only you people have to do it on graph sheets. And then earth pressure is there. Okay, I think tomorrow, Thursday, again I'm having class in the morning. Isn't it? Okay, 2 hours I will take, and I will try to complete this chapter tomorrow itself. So on Friday onwards, we will start earth pressure. Okay, now any doubts, please, till now? So once I start the earth pressure means before 5th or 6th January, I will complete the syllabus, university syllabus, and then onwards, if needed, we will start MCQs and gate questions, so that are useful for a university exam also and for gate exam also, like this, isn't it? So now I will
Sir,
take this. If you have any doubts regarding this chapter, please,
schedule.
you can ask. Okay, I will take the attendance. It is Nikita Bhagwat, A1, 3A Gnaneshwari Gosavi. I have checked your paper also. I will display the marks today itself, ISC marks. I will show you. Then what else? ISC 2 we will having shortly. So there, whatever the remaining topics are there, no. So compaction is over, and first chapter is over. So I will take permeability, consolidation, and shear strength. All 3 chapters in ISC 2. ज्ञानेश्वरी के बाद दीप्ति 4B, 5A आकांक्षा, 5A आकांक्षा, 6B प्रियंका, 8B हर्षदा, 9B अंजलि, 10A पूनम, 12A स्नेहा स्नेहल पाटिल, 12B स्नेहल गायतिलक, 13B, 14B, 14A, म्यूट कर लो प्लीज, whoever it is. 14A सोनाली शिंदे और 15B वैष्णवी, 16A is प्रियंका, 17B नेहा, 18B चैताली, वैभवी नहीं आई क्या आज, एब्सेंट। 20B स्नेहल स्नेहा, 21B सोनाली, और 21A प्रथमेश, 22A शुभम, 22B श्वेताली, 24B वैष्णवी, 25B आई थिंक सुधारानी बी होगा, हाँ, 28B ऋतुजा, 30B वैष्णवी, 31B प्रतीक्षा, 32B सुदर्शन, 33B रोहित, बी के लड़के ज्यादा थे सब, 33, 36 सुफियान, and in fact for A section it is more needed because they have studied a little bit in their diploma. 37, 38, 39A, 42A, 42B, 43A, 45B, 47A, 51B, 52A, 56A, 59B, 64A, 65A, 66A, 70A, 32A, Yuvraj, 23, Aishwarya Mane, B. Yes, Yuvraj, this. Anybody else? It is Snehal, it is not decided yet. Of course, it will be decided in the meeting. Shortly ISC2 हो जाते हैं, क्योंकि अभी यूनिवर्सिटी का एग्जाम डेट ही नहीं आ रहा, तो इसलिए। नहीं तो आपका प्रैक्टिकल एग्जाम था आज आपका एक्सटर्नल, बट अभी वो नहीं हो रहा, इसलिए अभी फाइनलाइज नहीं हो रहा कुछ भी. Once we get the university timetable, no, so based on that one we will do it.
Okay, sir.
Anything